take a look at this. We are here at the Wells Fargo Bank. And there's Prince and Jaden. We're gonna go up in these overs. Let's go down. Door goes down. Looks like that. Here's the door. Let's go check if the door works. No, I said going up. So here is itself. It's the second floor. Let's take a tour here. Look at that. It smells like some cigarettes out here. This is the third floor. To 1983 Baxter and Sons. This is the outside of the room. These officers are so responsive. There's Angela Waters. In here. Sometimes the rents must be white.
Okay, I'll see you guys on the first floor.
Really? Okay.
Get in.
I'll go with you.
To the first floor, imagine.
1 or B? No, just 1. Okay. Next thing you know, he's going to jump. Let's see, can it jump higher?
This is a beautiful golden elevator. I am loving it. You see, Daddy? Wait, what?
I didn't see him coming down.
Squeak, dude. Hurry, friends.
Open. Stay open.
This supposed to go.
I pressed go.
I think he's on 5.
Go to 5.
I'm like,
think he knows 5. I think he knows.
Yeah, he's coming up to 5. Go to 1. Go to 1. Go to 1. Go 2. 2. 2. Go to 2. No, he went to 2. No, 2. 1. Look at 2. 2. 2. 2. He's coming. He's coming. 6. 6. He's gonna go.
Oh, he's coming up.
He's racing us. What's full? Whatever you want.
Which one?
B.
B. What if he thinks 3 instead of B? Is he coming down? I can't tell.
Okay. I'm gonna go down to B.
Oh, I see him coming down.
I see him going down.
Yeah, he's coming to B, I can tell.
Go to the 1. Okay.
What if someone was fixing it and they went down to B? What do you do, guys?
Wait, he's coming out. Oh wait, no. He went out. This is 6.
Oh no! It's too late. We lost contact with him.
We lost contact. We're going up to 6. No.
Can he?
Oh, he's coming up.
I hit my head and I felt
I
his
see him.
last
He's
name.
racing us.
I felt his last name.
Go. Go
Did he
back.
come high
I
enough?
think he's on 3. Go to 3.
Yeah, he's on 3.
No, what? I'm gonna be scared of him.
When I hit my head against the door, I feel like it's moving. When it's going down?
No, he's going down. He's going down.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. He's out.
Go to 1, go to 1.
He's out 1. Go to 1. He's at 1.
Just one,
By
one.
the door.
He's going up to 6. I'm just kidding, no, I heard if you press all the buttons, it'll go to each individual floor. That must be so bad if the little kid goes, and you're at the top. Here.
Okay, I think we get out. Let's get out.
Get down, get down.
My elevator is so slow. I can never catch up to you guys.
Yeah. Why do you think those doors didn't work, but these do?
I don't know.
There probably was
Watch your step.
one there.
Watch your step.
The way these stairs are designed, if there's no shadows.
Yeah, seriously. I should have put some red tape or something.